हाँ अब शुरू हुआ।
देखिए ये हमारा विंड हाइब्रिड सिस्टम, विंड प्लस सोलर। हियर यू आर गोइंग टू मीन्स यू आर कनेक्टिंग योर सोलर पैनल। By both of these, you are going to get a state electrical energy where you can utilize the for household purposes like air conditioner, motor, etc. And it has more mechanical strength. It is nearly it's where you are going to install, and it is with extendable in any environment like when raining was going on, any high wind is blowing, it will be it's extendable. And it will spinning like that when the direction of air where it is going to move. By this one you are going to get extract electrical energy. And one more thing that see there has a our solar panel. It's implemented by our seniors. See, this is the solar panel. That's it. And
I think these rods are not good. These are rusty. Due to proper infra maintenance.
अच्छा बीच में अच्छा फोटो आ रहा है।
See, meet my colleague Mohan Krishna. His name is Mohan Krishna. He is also including in my batch. Okay.
Me too.
And he is also Sonu. His name is Sonu. See.
What are these solar panel for?
Yeah.
What is the rating of these solar panels?
12 volts and 150 watts.
Only.
Yes.
What are you doing then?
Yes,
Generate
like
more.
DC to DC converter. You are going to boost up the DC. Then after filtering the DC output, you are feed to the inverter, which inverts the DC to AC.
But these are plates are not good because of the rust and everything. So it gives some less
And
output.
by washing with the help of detergent powder, it will get clean.
I think I prescribe Nirma soap. It is good to wash. It is our plate.
And see my college campus and our hostels, girls hostel, boys hostel. That is our man.
फिलहाल यही था हमारे आज के वीडियो में। आपको फिर से लॉगिन करिएगा।
Girl hostel only. Not boys hostel. With our man.
चलिए ठीक है।
Okay.